objectivity, or the manifested sun or Sunday be. Evolution itself. C. The development of quality. D. Time and space. The questions we are now engaged in answering embody certain fundamental aspects of manifestation, viewed principally from the subjective or psychic angle. IV. What is consciousness? What is its place in the scheme of things? Consciousness might be defined as the faculty of apprehension, and concerns primarily the relation of the self to the not-self, of the knower to the known, and of the thinker to that which is thought about. All these definitions involve the acceptance of the idea of duality, of that which is objective and of that which lies back of objectivity. 10,299. Consciousness is the cosmic seed of supercosmic omniscience. It has the potentiality of budding into divine consciousness. S. D. III. 555. The universe is an aggregate of states of consciousness. S. D. II. 633. Consciousness may be roughly divided into 1. Absolute or God consciousness on manifested logos. I am that I am. 2. Universal or group consciousness manifested logos. Consciousness of planetary logos. I am that. 3. Individual or self-consciousness human consciousness. I am. 4. Consciousness or atomic consciousness, subhuman consciousness. The goal of consciousness for 1. A planetary logos absolute consciousness. 2. Man group consciousness. 3. Atom self-consciousness. The logos is the macrocosm for man. S. D. I. 288, 295. Man is the macrocosm for the atom. Summation. The life and the lives. S. D. I. 281, 282. 99. Consciousness expresses that which might be regarded as the middle point in manifestation. It does not involve entirely the pole of spirit. It is produced by the union of the two poles, and the process of interplay and of adaptation that necessarily ensues. It might be tabulated as follows, in an effort to clarify by visualization. First pole the point of union, second pole first logos, second logos, third logos. Maheva Vishnu Brahma. Will, wisdom, love, active intelligence. Spirit, consciousness, matter. Father, son, mother. Monad, ego, personality. The self, the relation between the not-self. The knower, knowledge, the known. Life, realization, form. One could go on piling up terms, but the above suffices to demonstrate the relationship between the threefold logos during manifestation. Emphasis must be laid upon the above fact. The solar system embodies the above logoic relationship during evolutionary objectivity, and the whole aim of progressive development is to bring the son of the father and the mother to a point of full realization, of complete self-consciousness, and to full and active knowledge. The sun is objectively the solar system, inherently will or power, and subjectively he is love, wisdom. This latter quality is in process of development through the utilization of active intelligence. The three manifested persons of the logoic triad seek full development by means of each other. The will to be, of the Maheva aspect, seeks, with the aid of the intelligence of Brahma, to develop love wisdom, or the sun aspect, the Vishnu aspect. In the microcosmic system, the reflection of the threefold logos, the man is endeavoring through the three vehicles to attain the same development on his own plane. On higher planes the heavenly men, through Atma Buddhi Manas, aim at a similar progression. These two, the heavenly men plus the units in their bodies, which are composed of Deva and human monads form, in their totality, the grand heavenly man. When man achieves, then the heavenly men likewise achieve. when they reach their full growth and knowledge, and are self-conscious on all planes, then the Sun achieves, and the solar system, his body of manifestation and experience, has served its purpose. The Sun is liberated. Extend the idea of this threefold development of consciousness to the Logos in a still larger cycle, to that of the three solar systems of which this is the middle one, and we have repeated on cosmic levels in connection with the Logos, the process of the development of man in the three worlds. The macrocosm, the first solar system, embodied the I Am principle. The second solar system is embodying the I Am That principle. The third solar system will embody the I Am That I Am principle. The microcosm, the first manifestation, the personality, embodies the I Am principle. The second manifestation, the ego, is embodying the I Am That principle. The third manifestation, the monad, will embody the I Am That I Am principle. Thus the different factors play their part in the general scheme of things, and all are interrelated, and all are interested parts and members one of the other. Is there a direct analogy between the development of a system, a planet, a man and an atom? If by this question the desire exists to demonstrate exact similarity, the answer must be no. The analogy is never exact in detail, but only in certain broad basic correspondences. In all the four factors, there will be found unchangeable points of resemblance, but in development the stages of growth may not appear the same in detailed evolution, viewed from the standpoint of a man in the three worlds, handicapped as he is by limited apprehension. The points of resemblance between the four might be summed up as follows, taking the atom on the physical plane as our starting point, and developing the concept from stage to stage. An atom. 1031. In connection with the atom, the secret doctrine says 1. Absolute intelligence thrills through every atom. SD, I. 298. 2. Wherever there is an atom of matter, there is life. SD, I. 245, 269, 279. 3. The atom is a concrete manifestation of the universal energy. SD, I. 281. 4. The same invisible lives compose the atoms, etc. SD, I. 218. 5. Every atom in the universe has the potentiality of self-consciousness. SD, I. 132. II. 742. 6. Atoms and souls are synonymous in the language of initiates. SD, I. 620, 622. 7. The atom belongs wholly to the domain of metaphysics. SD, I. 559. 8. Deity is within every atom. SD, I. 89, 183. 9. Every atom is doomed to incessant differentiation. SD, I. 167. L0. The object of the evolution of the atom is man. SD, I. 206. 11. A germ exists in the center of every atom. SD, I. 87. II. 622. 12. There is heat in every atom. SD, I. 112. 13. Every atom has 7 planes of being. SD, I. 174. 14. Atoms are vibrations. SD, I. 694. 1a. An atom consists of a spheroidal form containing within itself a nucleus of life. B. An atom contains within itself differentiated molecules, which in their totality form the atom itself. For instance, we are told that the physical atom contains within its periphery 14,000 millions of the archetypal atoms, yet these myriads demonstrate as one. See, an atom is distinguished by activity, and shows forth the qualities of A. Rotary motion. B. Discriminative power. C. Ability to develop. D. An atom, we are told, contains within itself 3 major spirals, and 7 lesser 104 inner life. Vol. II, 177-179. Occult Chemistry, p. 22. Occult Chemistry, Appendix II and III. Babbitt's, Light and Color, pp. 97-1012. Which 10 are in process of vitalization, but have not yet attained full activity. Only 4 are functioning at this stage, and the 5th is in process of development. An atom is governed by the law of economy, is coming slowly under the law of attraction, and will eventually come under the law of synthesis. An atom finds its place within all forms. It is the aggregation of atoms that produces form. Its responsiveness to outer stimulation. Electrical stimulation, affecting its objective form. Magnetic stimulation, acting upon its subjective life. The united effect of the 2 stimulations, producing consequent internal growth and development. An atom therefore is distinguished by 1. Its spheroidal shape. Its ring pass knot is definite and seen. 2. Its internal arrangement, which comprises the sphere of influence of any particular atom. 3. Its life activity, or the extent to which the life at the center animates the atom, a relative thing at this stage. 4. Its 7-fold inner economy in process of evolution. 5. Its eventual synthesis internally from the 7 into the 3. 6. Its group relation. 7. Its development of consciousness, or responsiveness. Having predicated the above facts of the atom, we can extend the idea now to man, following the same general outline. A man. A. A man is spheroidal in form, he can be seen as a circular ring pass knot, a sphere of matter with the nucleus of life at the center. In predicating this we are considering the true man in his fundamental position as the ego, with his sphere of manifestation, the causal body, that body which forms the middle point between spirit and matter. B. A man contains within himself differentiated atoms, which in their totality make up the objective form of the man on the planes of his manifestation. All are animated by his life, by his persistent will to hope. All vibrate according to the point reached by the man in evolution. As seen from the higher planes, man demonstrates as a sphere, or spheres, of differentiated matter, vibrating to a certain measure, tinctured by a certain color, and rotating to a fixed key, the key of his life cycle. See, a man is distinguished by activity on one or more planes in the 3 worlds, and shows forth the qualities of 1. Rotary motion, or his particular cycling on the wheel of life, around his egoic pole. 2. Discriminative capacity, or the power to choose and gain experience. 3. Ability to evolve, to increase vibration and to make contact.